The one advice that I have for all the aspiring women is to be yourself and be authentic, and that authentic self will reflect. Keep yourself motivated in terms of what you want to be and chase that excellence. This excellence needs to be kept renewed time and again and not forgotten. Only then you will be able to see you as what you wanted to see yourself as. The representation of women in engineering is gradually improving, but you would see that at a point it sort of tapers down. And as an organization, we really need to invest in finding why this is a phenomena. Certain aspects could be very evident with data, but it requires much attention of the leaders to take a look at it and see what can be done. A few things that I can think of in terms of what an organization could do is what I have listed down out here as effective strategies that one should look at as an environment or as an organization. First things first, we all need to acknowledge the fact that there is a taper down of women in engineering at certain levels, even though the university or aspiring women want to get into the workforce. Find out what those reasons are. And then here I list out some of those activities or best practices that in our organization that we have cultivated has started to be fruitful or has started to give us some results. One of them is a special program wherein we kind of put some of our leaders as sponsors to the women who are aspiring to roar in terms of their engineering career and want to bring out patents on their own. So we recently celebrated a women patent program wherein on the engineering day, all of our women patent holders were celebrated. This will not only inspire them to do more, but this would also encourage the younger women who would get into the pipeline and would want to produce patents. Well, it's not just about the patents, right? It's about how they want to hone their engineering skill and how they want to kind of contribute more and more to the world of STEM. It was my passion and my quest to keep myself going in the engineering world is what kept my spirits high. I did face numerous challenges in typecasting, in trying to put me into a box and calling me that you're a woman, what would you know about certain designs? Or you're a woman, how could you design this kind of situations? Nothing really bothered me so much, but I wanted to push through. I wanted to break those barriers and keep going. And that was probably the spirit wherein I overcame a lot of challenges. And I took those challenges in a very, very spirited way of how do I get through them rather than be bogged down by them. The one advice that I definitely have for younger aspiring women is to look at their goal as an excellence which they keep chasing, and also look at mini goals that they want to set it up for themselves and achieve that, as well as celebrate their goals as and when they achieve. Also strike a balance of what you are and how you enjoy what you want to be as an engineer, and keep getting those challenges and keep aspiring those challenges.